Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on the dash installation mechanical something. So what I have here is my dash, and kind of doing a cool way of installing this instead of putting rivets or bolts all the way around. This is the next coolest way to do it. So you install one of these behind the dash by gluing it on, and then you could have one of these straps going across vertically already installed in the car, and then this would bolt through there and you suck it in, and now you have a seamless dash with no bolts and stuff in there. The only issue I have is my gauges are pretty close together here, and so I'm going to have to make a little bit of a thinner strap just for this one and kind of carve it out to fit between those. Besides that, it should be a straightforward process, and then we'd have to use a panel bond agent to actually attach this to the inside of the dash, and also those pads on the back of the dash. So that's the philosophy, and I'm just going to go ahead and get the metal worked up for it. I still haven't decided on the exact formulation of bonding agent. I was supposed to have that figured out last week, but I never heard back. So we are going to just get this cut out, laid out, ready to go, and then see what happens when we put this together. Alright, so I got 3 of these carved out. This one has the sides cut out, so it will actually fit in between here. And I got my 3 pads, will be able to, have a little bit of wiggle room. So all I need to do is put the panel bond on there, and that's ready to go. Which, I don't know if I'm going to do that maybe right before I paint, or maybe after I paint. I'm not really sure. So, but at least that's done, ready to go. So I finally decided on a panel bond, and you could get these big guns, so you could do a whole side of a car and put panels on and stuff like that. But what I'm doing is only like 5 square inches of stuff, and so I wanted to get something really small. However, with all this stuff, you need an actual like a dispenser gun to actually get it done. And so what I ended up getting is, it almost looks like an epoxy tube, if you will, a two-part. And you put different tips on it. And then I got a kit, and I don't know, I want to say like 60 bucks, 55 bucks. This is a gun, got this, and I should be good to go. Wasn't too expensive. I've seen stuff that's literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and I didn't need that much material. So, so this is what I'm going to use. Again, I'm probably not going to do this until maybe it's already painted or right before it goes to paint, because I need to actually get all the electronics behind that dash first to just make sure I'm not putting a bracket in an area that now I can't get the stuff, or I can't, you know, it just makes it a nightmare for me to build everything else. And so we're going to hold off on this, but at least I got the materials and it's ready to go. Until next time, have a great day, and please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Appreciate it.